small businesses have started their protests today against GST demands on UPI transaction. Small-scale business owners and market vendors across Karnataka expressing their concerns after traders whose total UPI has made payments that have surpassed 40 lakhs in a single year have now received GST notices. It's the Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivkumar claiming that the number of notices could be about 14,000 and said that the state would write to the centre and in order to withdraw these notices, and has really blamed the BJP for this issue. Well, my colleague Deepak gets us all the details on this.
Pulling out a phone, scanning a QR code and making a payment. This has become second nature for millions of Indians. Especially when paying small vendors, this form of digital transaction is now a part of our everyday lives. But this could change quite quickly. Across Karnataka, nearly 14,000 small traders, from bakery owners to fruit, vegetable and meat sellers, have suddenly been receiving GST notices.
पहले तो तुम्हें इजी कर दिया, अभी पूरा ट्रांजैक्शन होने के बाद में 30 लाख हो गया, 40 लाख हो गया, बोले तो 40 लाख पूरा जिसको लिया है उसको दे दिया हमें. अब हम कहाँ से देगा पैसा? के 40 लाख हम बचा लिया क्या? तो नया नया रूल्स बनाया तो फायदा क्या है उसमें?
पूरा फोन पे गूगल पे करे करते पूरा GST डाल रहा करते हैं, उसके ने हमें नहीं डाल रहे. यहाँ पे कहीं को होता बड़ी बड़ी दुकान को डालने का क्या होता है, छोटी दुकान रोड में पेपर करने वाले डालने का मैं क्या करने यहाँ पे.
As traders express their frustration, it's the customers who are now caught in the middle. Many have long since adapted to the digital payments, are now struggling to carry and make payments through cash.
Mainly the government of Karnataka should take an appropriate action to reduce the GST and to allow the shopkeepers to use the digital payments and all, so that the customers and all will be easy for the payment.
Meanwhile, the issue has taken a political turn. The ruling Congress and the opposition BJP are locked in a blame game, each accusing the other of failing Karnataka's small traders.
मेरे पास इंफॉर्मेशन है, स्टेट गवर्नमेंट कमर्शियल टैक्स ऑफिसर्स ने छोटा व्यापारियों को नोटिस दिया है, सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट दिया नहीं. गलत कौन किया है? आपने किया है. आरोप करता है सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट के ऊपर, आरोप आप कर रहा है.
ನಮ್ಮ ತಿನ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಯಿಗೆ ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ತಿನ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಇದನ್ನ ಬಡವರಿಗೆ ತೊಂದರೆ ಕೊಡೋದನ್ನ ವಿಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಒಬ್ಬ ತರಕಾರಿ ಮಾಡೋರು, ಎಳ್ನೀರು ಮಾಡೋರು, ರಸ್ತೆ ಬದಿ ವ್ಯಾಪಾರ ಮಾಡೋರು ಇರಲಿ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಅವರೊಂದು ಇದನ್ನ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ವ್ಯಾಪಾರ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸುಮಾರು ಲಕ್ಷಾಂತರ ಜನರಿಗೆ ಇವತ್ತಿಗಾಲೇ ನೋಟಿಸ್.
With the traders all set to go in for a bandh and a protest, where does the solution lie is the big question. Several small traders, like the one that I'm standing at, are now apprehensive of using digital modes of payment. Modes of payment, of course, that now have become synonymous across the country with digital India and convenience as well. But with GST notices being sent out to traders like these, they feel that they should probably go back to cash. What this is doing is that on one hand, it is reducing their business. On the other hand, it's also inconveniencing the customers who now are completely reliant on payments made through UPI. We'll really have to see with the tug-of-war that's going on between the state and the centre over this issue, where the solution really lies. With video journalist Kumar, this is Deepak Bopana for NDTV.